So this is going to be a very easy in-table plant stand, whichever one you want it to be. It only requires 2 cuts. The first cut is going to be 8 pieces at 18 inches long, and that's going to be for our legs, and just 4 pieces at 14 inches long for our tabletop. So I'll make the first cuts now. I've already set up a little fence right here at 18 inches, so I'll go ahead and make my first cuts now. Okay, now I've moved my fence to 14 inches, and now all we need is 4 pieces at 14 inches. So now we're going to take 4 of our legs, and we're going to trim off just enough of the width of this board. That way when we put it together, it won't be so wide here. So we set up our fence, the width of the board. So now we're going to take the legs and I'm going to round off just one edge of it. Gives it a little better look. My bearing on top of the router here, so when I feed it through to right along that bearing, I don't have to worry about this fence. Okay, so now we've made our cuts. We have our 4 1x4s that are 14 inches long, and we're just going to make a simple box with it. So you see we have our little rounded edge where we went through the router. We have our narrow board and our wide one. And now we're going to make the leg. It's going to fit like so. And now it'll be the same width here and here. So we take our little tabletop frame and we're going to take our leg. It's very simple. Just put it in like that and we're going to nail it on. Now we're going to stain it. So for our top, we're going to use this 17 by 17 ceramic tile. And we're just going to take some liquid nail. We're going to put it around the top. I didn't stain the very top of it because when our liquid nail will stick. So I'll just put some liquid nail around the top and set our tile on it. So we're going to put something heavy on it just overnight, just till the liquid nail sets up. Now we've let it sit overnight. And here's our finished product. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.